Hey guys, so this is just a review on solving quadratics. So we've done the factoring. Now we're adding an equal sign, okay? So we just got to figure out what the variable is, what x is, okay? So we're starting out with these. It's already factored. So what you do is you take each factor. Okay, so x minus 4 is one factor, x plus 2 is another factor, and you split them, and you set them both equal to 0. So x minus 4 equals 0, and then x plus 2 equals 0. And we just solve for x, just like any other equation. Okay, so over here, I'm going to add 4 to cancel 4 out. And so I have x equals, what's 0 plus 4? 4. So that's one answer. Over here, I'm going to subtract 2 to cancel 2 out, and then I have just x by itself, and then 0 minus 2 is negative 2. There's my answers. Okay, we'll look at this one also. This is already factored. We take each factor, each set of parentheses, split them up. So n plus 1 equals 0, and then n minus 2 equals 0. So then just solving for n. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides, cancel out the 1. It was 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Okay, and over here I'm going to add 2 to both sides, cancel that out, n equals 2. Okay, 0 plus 2 is 2. All right, now we're building up. Now this is not factored, right? But we know how to factor. Okay, so we set up our sets of parentheses equals 0. Okay, put our variable in the first spot, a. Now we have to make our diamond. Okay, what two numbers can multiply to 2 and add to 3? So set up the diamond, 2 on top, 3 on the bottom. What two numbers multiply to 2? Only 1 and 2, so those have to be the answers, and they actually work. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. So 1 and 2 go here, and they're both positive, so there. Now we split these up into two different equations. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then you solve. Minus subtract 1, let's get a different color. Subtract 1 on both sides, cancel that out, a equals negative 1. Okay, subtract 2 on both sides. Cancel that out, you get a equals negative 2. Okay, we'll do one more. All right, so we got to factor this one. So make our two sets of parentheses equals 0. All right, put your variable in the first spot. And then make our diamond. What multiplies to 36 and adds to 12? So make your diamond problem. 36 on top and 12 on the bottom. Start figuring out the factors of 36, right? 1 times 36 is 36. 2 times 18 is 36. 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay? So what pair is going to give me a positive 12 when I add? Well, not that one, not that one. Okay, it's this one, 6 plus 6. Okay, so the plus 6 and plus 6, and now we split them up into two equations. Okay, we got 1 and 2, so x plus 6 equals 0, and x plus 6 equals 0. All right, they're actually the same equation, aren't they? But that's all right, so we'll just do it twice. Subtract 6, so you got x equals negative 6, and subtract 6, you got x equals negative 6. And that's it, and you're done. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.